everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to install Predictor Aviator on both iOS and Android devices. As you can see, I already have the app on my phone, and it's working perfectly. The process is quick and easy, so if you want to learn how to get Predictor Aviator, make sure to watch the video until the end. I'll guide you step by step through the entire process, so let's get started. Before we proceed, let's take care of two important steps specifically for iOS users. Android users can skip ahead to the main installation instructions. First, go to your device's settings, tap on General, and then select Background App Refresh. Make sure that either Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi and mobile data is enabled, as this will ensure the app can update and run smoothly in the background. Next, return to the Settings menu, go to Battery, and make sure Low Power Mode is turned off. This is crucial because leaving it on could affect the app's performance. Once you've done these checks, you're ready for the installation. Now, let's get started with the final step. Open your browser and visit appbinge.com, a trusted site for apps with mods. Search for Predictor Aviator, select it, and you'll see a page with details like download count and community ratings. Tap the download button, and the system will begin downloading and installing the necessary files. The process should be quick, and once it's finished, you'll get a confirmation message showing the installation was successful. If not, you might need to download some additional files, but don't worry, the website provides clear instructions to guide you through this simple process. Once everything is installed, you're all set. As you can see, it works perfectly. And that's it. That's how easy it is to get Predictor Aviator. Thanks for sticking with me until the end of this video. If you found it helpful and everything's working well for you, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to my channel for more similar content. If you run into any problems or have questions, feel free to drop a comment below, and I'll be happy to help. See you soon!